So here's how to use WhatsApp with ChatGPT. So first of all, let's head over to the WhatsApp application. And over here, you will get to see all the chats available in your inbox. From here, you need to select the chat where you want to use ChatGPT. After that, you will need to send it a number. This is the number for ChatGPT. Just send it to the contact, and once delivered, tap on it. After that, choose the option Chat with this number. And as you can see, we're now redirected to the ChatGPT inbox. You can now use ChatGPT from right here on WhatsApp. You can type in any queries or prompts just like you would while using WhatsApp. After that, just send the message. And as you can see, ChatGPT has responded to the message right over here. And that's it. That is exactly how to use WhatsApp with ChatGPT.